अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। I'm here to begin a new lesson from textbook snapshot. Lesson number 4. The title of the lesson is Albert Einstein at School, written by Patrick Pringle. Before I begin to read this lesson, or before I begin to explain you, I would like to share with you the introduction of this lesson, and I would like to share with you the summary of this lesson. Very nice lesson, very interesting lesson, very easy to understand. So let us read. I would request all the students to have the textbook and open the textbook number, page number 25. Albert Einstein School. Introduction. The lesson Albert Einstein at School is an extract from the biography of Albert Einstein, named The Young Einstein, by Patrick Pringle. It is written by Patrick Pringle. In this lesson, Patrick familiarizes the reader with those years in Einstein's life where he was struggling each day in school and each day passed. We find it, Patrick wrote about Einstein's life, how he was struggling while studying in the school. The school was very boring for him. He doesn't like to go to school. That is, let's see, the school diploma felt like a far-fetched dream. He was tired of his diploma. He was tired of studying his diploma, and he was fed up with the school. He wanted to give up school, and he was not able to come out of the school. Albert Einstein was tired of the education system that was prevailing, rote learning, memorizing, and all this, right? It throw light upon a few encounter with his teacher. In this lesson, we will also see how he encountered with his teacher, how he argued with his teacher. Though he was right, Albert Einstein was right on his place, and teacher was absolutely wrong at his place. It threw light upon a few encounters with his teacher, what he felt about neighborhood he lived in, and how he had only one good friend. The place where he was there living was slum area, right? The place where he was living was slum, congested, highly populated, and it was very noisy. And he had to bear all these. He had to bear all these hardship. The problem Einstein had while living in that particular area, that he was not able to bear the noise that came from the owner of the house, as the owner of the house was always beating his children, and the way they would cry, it annoyed Einstein. It threw light upon a few encounters with his teacher when he felt about neighborhood he lived in, and how he had only one good friend named Yuri. The way Albert strategized to get out of the miserable place, school, and how things turn around in the end makes the story even more interesting. The lesson is about that Albert Einstein was tired of his school. He doesn't want to attend the school, but he was forced by his father to take diploma and go to the school. He was there living in a hostel, right, in a particular area where he was not at all comfortable because of the noise, and the people were always there fighting in that area. And at the end of this lesson, we will come to know that how Albert Einstein made a plan along with his friend to get rid of the school. That we will see at the end of the lesson. Now let me share with you the summary of this lesson so you can understand well. Even in textbook, Albert Einstein, 1879-1955, is regarded as the greatest physicist, since Newton is the greatest scientist that we know. In the following extract from The Young Einstein, the well-known biographer Patrick Pringle described the circumstances which led to Albert Einstein's expulsion from a German school. At the end of the lesson, Albert Einstein was expelled, he was banished, he was turned out from the school by the headmaster. What was the reason and what happened, that we will see in the summary. The lesson begins with little Albert Einstein meeting with his history teacher, encounter with his history teacher, where the teacher is asking him about a particular date from the past, and as usual, our unattentive Albert Einstein doesn't know the answer. The history teacher asked history teacher asked him the question about the particular date of war, in which place that war, in which place and when this war took place. And Albert Einstein didn't know the answer, and he says that I don't know the answer. This moment lead us to a little. This moment lead us to a little speech given by Einstein in the class about what education should include and what they are being taught is irrelevant. Teacher, when Albert Einstein failed to answer the question asked by the teacher became very irritated. He became very angry with the Einstein. And teacher asked him question that it has already been taught to you inside the class. Why he doesn't know the answer? And Albert Einstein answered him that he doesn't like to learn the facts. He doesn't like to learn the facts, but instead he liked to learn the ideas. How and what were the circumstances that events happen. He doesn't like to learn the facts because facts are useless. Facts will not help him to use his mind. Facts are learned only just to remember the date, and this is not the education that he likes. He likes the education that demands his attention, that demand to use his mind. So he doesn't like to learn the facts. And listening his answer, the teacher become very angry. He become very irritated, right? And during the argument, Albert Einstein gave him a very strong lecture about the education. As a result, the teacher become very angry with him. It ends up in being punished by a teacher, which again is not new. Even we are being punished by the teacher, right? In the school, when we ask any cross question to our teacher become not in our school, but it happens in school that when we ask any cross question to our teacher, sometimes teacher become very irritated, and as a result he punishes us. In the same way, the teacher also punished Einstein. He made him sit for a long time inside the school. It ends up in being punished by the teacher, which again is not new. Then the lesson talks about how Albert disliked his neighborhood. This was the meeting. The first part of the lesson is about the argument between Albert Einstein and his teacher, and about the education. What should be the education according to Einstein? The next part of the lesson is talking about the place where Albert Einstein was living. Then the lesson talks about how Albert Einstein disliked his neighborhood because of all the slum violence, and compared to his he compared his living place with his friend Yuri's neighborhood, who did not like his either. So he had only one friend whose name is Yuri. So one day Albert Einstein talked about the place where he was living, and so Yuri also talked about the place. Yuri also didn't like the place where he was living. Albert even expressed his worries to his cousin Elsa from Berlin, who thinks he can pass if he made a little effort. He happened to meet his sister, whose name is Elsa, cousin sister Elsa. She came to meet him, and Albert Einstein expressed his worries, his concern about the education, that he doesn't like to study all the stuff that is being taught in the school. He likes science, he likes maths, but he doesn't like other subjects which are being taught inside the school. And Elsa advised him not to worry about it, but instead she advised him that he should just learn it, memorize it. And Albert Einstein answered her that he doesn't like to memorize or learn by heart. And she advised him that other students, you are more clever than other students. There are stupid students who can pass this exam easily. In the same way, you just learn it by heart, and you will also be able to pass the exam. And Einstein says that he doesn't like such method. He doesn't like learning by hearts. Yuri's neighborhood, who didn't like Albert even expressed his worries to his cousin Elsa from Berlin, who thinks he can pass if he made a little effort. At this point, Albert starts strategizing his way to get out of the school, and he suddenly gets an idea that involves a doctor who is willing to help him. He wanted the doctor to know that he had a nervous breakdown and prescribe that the root cause of it is school, and he shall stay as far away from it as he could. This is where Yuri agrees and set up an appointment with his friend freshly qualified doctor who he wants is hard to befool. Now Albert Stein was fed up with his school life and he wanted to get rid of the school. So he told to his friend Yuri. Albert Stein told to his friend Yuri that if he continue to study further in the school, his diploma, then he will have a nervous breakdown. And he wanted to get rid of this school as soon as possible. At least he want a very big leave from this school. He want very prolonged leave from the school. And Yuri and he says that he will pretend to have a nervous breakdown, and by this way he will pretend to have his nervous breakdown. He will fall sick and saying that he is suffering from nervous breakdown, and by this way he will be able to get medical certificate from a doctor, and he would present that medical certificate before the principal, and by this he will be able to grant his leave from the principal. Yuri agreed, and Yuri told to his friend. He had one friend. Yuri had one friend who is a newly fresh doctor. He has just finished his education, and he doesn't have experience. So he told his friend about all this. That one of his friend is there studying in school, right? Whose name is Einstein, and he had so and so problem, and he wants just medical certificate. So if he would, he just want medical certificate because he doesn't want to continue school for a particular period of times, and he agreed. Yuri's friend agreed with it. Let's see. He wanted the doctor to know that he had nervous breakdown and prescribe the root cause of its school, and he shall stay as far as away from it as he could. This is where Yuri agrees and set up an appointment with his friend, a freshly qualified doctor who he wants is hard to befool. Albert think about his conversation with the doctor so much that at this point he actually nervous. On meeting the doctor, he comes to know that Yuri has already told him everything and doctor is ready to help him. When he just went to meet doctor, he pretend that he has a nervous breakdown, and doctor came to know everything. That no need to pretend. He has already been told by Yuri that you do not want to attend the school, and because of this you want just a certificate, right? He comes to know that Yuri has already told him everything and the doctor is ready to help him. The doctor understands how tiring school can be. Ask Albert his plan after he gets out of school and realize he's doing no good to him or anyone by staying there. Thus he hands him his medical certificate and in turn asks him to take Yuri out of for a meal. So the medical certificate was given by doctor to Einstein, and he got the certificate. There was a conversation between doctor and Einstein. Doctor asked him question what he's going to do, and he says that he's going to change the school. He's going to pursue his the field that he likes, and that he had already planned it. And certificate was given by doctor to Einstein, and in favor of that certificate, Einstein doctor told him to provide or to take his friend Yuri for a meal. Although excited, Albert had no money to spare. He took Yuri out for supper. His next scene with his maths teacher, who is giving him a reference to make it easier for him to get into college for pursuing higher mathematics. He got the certificate, and he just also went to meet his teacher who was teaching him maths. He had very good relation. He was getting well with his maths teacher, and he had very good impression before his maths teacher, right? Maths teacher knew Einstein mind, and maths teacher had very good impression about Einstein in his mind. So he just went to meet Einstein. Einstein went to meet his maths teacher for the reference purpose for taking admission in college. So yes, there was a conversation between maths teacher and Einstein, and Einstein also maths teacher also gave a very good reference. He praised Einstein a lot in that certificate, saying that Einstein is very good at maths. He he is that much talented that even he is that much talented he can teach his math teacher even. Pursuing his mathematics, Einstein had studied all the maths they teach in school and even some more. He is then summoned to the head teacher's room where he is told to walk away as hardly any serious work can be accomplished when he is around. As tempting it was for Albert to tell the head teacher the truth and what he thought about his school. He resisted it and walked straight out of the school with his head high. He said goodbye to his only friend Yuri, and Elsa was back in Berlin by the time at last Albert Stein was out of school. He was summoned by, Albert Stein was summoned by the headmaster, and headmaster told him that he is not in a position to keep Einstein in school for a long time, as because of his presence the teachers are not able to teach in the class, and he's there to dismiss him, he's there to expel him. And Albert Stein was so happy that decision taken by his headmaster, and he doesn't need to show that certificate because it is already told by the headmaster himself willingly that he is here to dismiss him, he is here to expel him from the school, and by this way the lesson comes to an end. So this is the summary of this lesson. I hope that you have understood. Still, inshallah, I will try to make you understand by reading the lesson. So this is the fourth lesson. If you have any question, feel free to ask me on my WhatsApp number 7383759748. Allah Hafiz.